Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Ma'am, and today we will learn about Bootstrap 5 button group. So first we will know about what is button group. So Bootstrap 5 allows you to group a series of buttons together on a single line in a button group. So let's get started. So we will do practical. So here I opened my Visual Studio Code editor, and I will use div element first and use class name button group. Between div tags I use button tag. Here I apply type in which I take button. Here I will name class name button small, button primary, and here I will give name HTML to a button. Now I will copy it and paste below it. Here I change HTML to CSS. Then again I paste another code, and here I will replace JavaScript and again I will paste it. Here I will give another name Bootstrap 5. Now I will save it and execute it. So I will see here that there is a group of buttons in a button line. So I will suggest you, instead of applying button group sizes, you have to apply button group LG for large buttons. So I will save it. Now you can see the button, it is in larger form, and for smaller button we have to use SM. Now save it and execute it, then you will see it is small button group. Bootstrap 5 allows vertical button also. So here I use vertical class, and I will save it and execute it, then you can see that it is in vertical form. So here we can make some little bit changes so that we can make button anyhow, any form. Now I will copy all the div element and paste below it. Now I will save this code and execute it, then you can see it is side by side button group. The next one is Bootstrap 5 nesting button and drop down menus. So we will code it code for it. So I take div element and in which I use class button group. Then I take button element and here I type button, and I will take class name button primary. Now I will give this button name apple. Now I will save it and paste below it. Here I will replace apple to Samsung. Now I have to make drop down list. So for that I will take div element and I use class button group. Between div tag I paste above code. Here I will change the name. So I take Sony. Now I have to make this drop down. So I am using drop down toggle. Here I take data BS, toggle. Here I will take value drop down. Now I will take again a div, class name drop down menu. Between div tag I take anchor tag. Here I take class name drop down item. In href I will give a path. So if we want to make it empty, so you can, otherwise you can take hash. So here I take tablet. Like when we open Sony, then we will find drop down tablet. Here I take smart phone. Now I will save it and execute it, then see the result. So here you can see when I click on Sony, then you find tablet and smartphone as a drop down list. So guys, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share. And I have uploaded already 10 parts of it. So guys, go and watch it. Bye bye.